So today we are going to review BY M1 mic from Boya, and it is a very popular mic among YouTubers and vloggers under 1000 rupees. This is probably the best mic you can get under 1000 segment. Also the sound it captures is really good for the price you pay. Probably this is the very tried and tested mic under 1000 segment. I bought it for 700 rupees from Flipkart, and so let's open the box and see what comes inside the package. So we get a pouch inside the box and some manuals and paperwork, and also this Boya stickers. This is the booklet you get with the package, and some, I believe this is a warranty card. Okay, yes, this is a warranty card, as you can see. So this is the package you get. Okay, so this is all you get inside the package. Here is the mic itself. So this is the mic, as you can see. Also we get a small button cell, and you get a this is probably the mic cover to reduce the wind noise, a silica gel, a holder, collar holder, and this is the adapter to use with machines where you have to plug in this big jack. So as you can see, this is the mic itself. This is a pretty long wire, as you can see, which is connected to this thing. I guess we have to plug in the battery in this compartment. Okay, here we need to plug in the battery, and this is how plug in the collar holder, I guess that's what you call it. I believe this is how you will look, how it will look like after doing all the necessary adjustments. And I'm pretty impressed with the length of the wire. This is really long. So even if your recording device is a bit far from you, you can use this mic. I'm not sure about the length of the cable. Okay, here it says 6 meter. Okay, yeah, right here. Cable length is 6 meter. And this works with smartphones, camcorders, DSLR, audio recorders, and PC as well. So yeah, that's for the unboxing, and I will show you how the sound from this mic sounds like. I would also like to point out about the build of this whole mic. this thing is built out of metal, like it's a pure metal. However, in my opinion, the wire is like bit thin. It would be better if it was like little bit more thick. So that's something to point out. And also I think this part is like, I don't know how much this can take, the amount of bending. Like I have seen these kind of joints breaking very easily and stop functioning very easily. So that's one of the thing. Also, I think this looks good, at least in my opinion. And overall, the thickness of the wire in my opinion is like not that great. It could have been like little bit more thick. So that's something to keep in mind. Apart from that, everything feels pretty fine and sturdy. And yeah, that's all. So right now I am recording this audio from the Boya mic. Usually I record my all the videos through my iPhone 12, and it has also got a very good mic. So right now whatever sound you're listening is from Boya mic, and now it's from iPhone 12. So this is how the sounds, how my sound sounds through iPhone 12, and this is how I sound through the Boya mic. So I must tell you that both mic are like located at the exact same place, and both are capturing my voice through the exact same place. So you can take out the difference, like how my sound sounds like through my through this iPhone 12 and how it sounds through the Boya mic. Also, if I try to bring the mic closer, like this is how ideally I will hold my mic. So in this position, this is how I will sound like. And I believe this must be recording a really good audio. And actually I have tried this mic, and I have been using this mic since a week, and in my usage this was like giving me a really good output. And also I feel that under 1000 rupees this is the best you can get